Today is the day. I am so excited. I've added the DJI Mini 3 Pro drone to my photography and videography business, and this is going to be my first test. I'm going to make sure everything connects, but I thought I would share how I got to this place, what steps I needed to take before I was a drone owner to make sure that this is part of my business and I'm doing it the right way. And if you're thinking of the same thing, I thought my steps may be helpful to you as well. All right, so step number one, I needed to study and pass the Part 107 exam through the FAA. Now, I'm in the United States. These are the procedures that I need to do in order to provide this service to my clients. Once I pass the exam, I then need to go back into the FAA site and apply for the certification. At that point, I can then keep that certification on me at all times when I'm flying to make sure that I am a registered drone pilot if anyone were to ask if I was out shooting. And my certification for the FAA drone pilot license is good for 2 years. Okay, the last thing was once I purchased the drone, I now need to register the drone. That's $5 at this time. So every time I get a new drone, I would need to re-register, but hopefully this all goes well and I won't need to. And today, as you can tell, it's a bit too windy for a full flight. I'm in this big field, but I just wanted to get out here. This is the first time with the drone. I wanted to make sure it connects, that I can set everything up. I may lift up and bring it back down. Okay, so if you're thinking about adding a drone to your business and you have additional questions for me, I'm in the beginning of this journey. Let me know. I'm happy to share, and happy flying. Bye.